morning peeps, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can no doubt hear, I am in a jock. I have put on my face a little bit of the By Terry CC cream in Sunny Flash so that I don't look like a complete shitbag. I have no lipstick on, no mascara on, no powder, no nothing, just a little bit of moisturiser and a little bit of the By Terry. I've come on here to unbox my GHD parcel. I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to be in receipt of some products from GHD. The parcel arrived today. It had been obviously delayed. It was due on Friday, but it arrived today instead. I am delighted with what I've seen in the box so far. So I thought I would be a good little YouTuber and share it with all of you boys and girls. I am in rag order at the moment. I've just, my breathing is shocking with the asthma. So I rang the doctor yesterday and I don't know, my chest is in a jock. Anyway, she sent me for the test for the bug. And it turns out that I'm negative. I don't have the bug. So I reckon what I have, lads, is a little chest infection. So I'm turning this onto the box here, right? I apologise for the state of my my little chair. Sit on a nice pink blanket. Opening the box. When you open the box, what you're getting here is one bottle of the GHD Straight and Smooth Spray. Sorry, Daisy Martha. One bottle of the Smooth and Finish Serum. I'm going to open this up to see what a bottle looks like. This is come on. I best not mess with this too much. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's probably, average serum bottle. Then when you open it up, you get in here on this side, there's a big box. And in it is the GHD Glide. It looks like a hairbrush. I'm actually looking forward to trying this out, which I might do after I've shot this video. But I won't be filming it for you, lads. If I do throw it in my hair, it'll be simply because now that I know I'm negative for the bug, it means I can go around to Aldi and pick up some chicken and some soup, because I have no soup left. And I really love a bit of soup in the middle of the day. This is the GHD Air hairdryer. This is the box. It comes with a hairdryer and one nozzle. So it's the one in the black with the silver trimming on it. I will be doing a review of this once I use it. I wouldn't mind, only lads, there was F all wrong with my purple one. But however, you can't beat GHD. Their products are, for the most part, second to none. I have the GHD Platinum Straightener. I'm putting the stuff back in the box. And then I will turn this back. You can look at my ugly non-bug infected pus. Thank God for small mercies. Right, now lads, I apologise for that. Now I'm back. That was my quick unboxing of my GHD parcel. I am looking forward to trying out some of these products. I might try the brush today. I don't know, I'm really out of breath after even unboxing it. So I think the best thing might be nebulizer and bed for an hour, then Aldi. Maybe I should lie on the couch and watch a bit of YouTube and then Aldi. But Aldi is on my list of things to do today. So that, my friends, is my unboxing. As I say, I will be posting a review on both products, on the hairdryer and on the brush. But I'll be doing them separate over the course of the next few weeks because, lads, I'm not one of these people that unboxes something and does first impression reviews. I know there's an awful lot of YouTubers that do that, and I have total respect for them and for that. But my view on that is you can't give an honest review on a product you've only just unboxed. It's like these people that have foundations, they unbox them, they put them on, they wear them for the day, and they do a review at the end of the day. I'm saying, you could find in 2 weeks that it breaks you out and you're in bits. So you need to give a product a few goes. Like I could find the first time I used that brush that I can't use it at all. At which point I would give it a negative review, which would be thoroughly unfair. It would be simply because of user inexperience, not because it's a bad product. So I believe in giving products a fair go. So I will use the brush and the hairdryer over the next few weeks. You may not see a review until February because I'm going to really be fair. GHD are a great manufacturing company. They make great stuff. I have their platinum styler, which is absolutely excellent. Highly recommend. And I have their GHD curling iron. And the thing I like about it is with their curling iron, when I curl my hair, it doesn't look frizzy. The curls aren't frizzy and they're not like this. Excuse the state of my hair at the moment. Jesus, I could do with using the brush on it. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll see how I feel in a few minutes. I'll go on my nebulizer, and if I feel a bit better, I will use the brush on my hair, and I'll post a picture on my Instagram and my Facebook so that you can all see if it works for me. But really, I won't be doing a comprehensive review until I have had a couple of weeks with both products and with the sprays and the serum to give you a really good, fair review. So that if you do decide to buy either of those products, that at least you're getting an honest take on it. So GHD, I have to thank them for all their products that they make, because I have never had any problems with any of their stuff or their sprays. I have a couple of their sprays in my room already. Now I have some more stuff. So I will let you all know how I get on with this. This is not a sponsored video, and neither will be the reviews. Okay, my friends out there in YouTube land, take care, mind each other, stay safe, stay home if you can, unless you're like me and you have to go to Aldi and get a few groceries. Anyway, talk to you later, and see you all in my next video. Oh, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my little channel here, do. My little fab over 40. We could do it a few new members. I could do it a few thousand new members, but the more the merrier. Take care, God bless, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye. I felt it was necessary to come back on and just refilm the ending clip of that video, the unboxing video of my new GHD products. This is this is second day hair. I'm after plugging in the brush, the glide, the GHD glide, and just literally just brushing my hair in sections. And that's the result, lads. I mean, compare it to my hair in the actual unboxing, where it's like, it looks like I shoved my finger into a plug, and you know, I look like Wurzel Gummidge, but can you see the shine? And I've no serum on that. I didn't put any serum on it. Okay, well, I will say for second day hair, I suspect this thing is going to work like a charm. But the question is, when I freshly washed my hair, rough blow dried it, and I looked like a bird's nest, lion's mane, how the brush will do under those circumstances will be interesting to see. As I say, I will need practice with it, but not bad. Okay, lads, that is it for this video. I just felt I had to add that on to the end. I hope you all have a great day. Take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you all in my next little video up here. Take care. God bless. Bye.